Welcome back to another video. Today we got the best tool deals at Walmart. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes. To start here, they got this 40 piece or 40 quantity towel. They got this Armor All 10 piece. Basically, I don't like buying the bulk like that. I just like to buy whatever I need. They do carry chain oil. That's something that was new to me. I never seen chain oil here. Maybe I never see oil here. Because it's usually out of stock. Right now, it's actually pretty stock at this store. So and then they had got the chemical guys. They got some nice stuff in there. I used the Diablo cleaner before. Mr. Pink. I believe I use Mr. Pink too. They're pretty good. They're pretty good products. A little pricey. To tell you the truth, it's a little too much for after you buy a few bottles and you start noticing that you're starting to spend a lot of money on that chemical guy's store. They do carry speakers here, which a lot of the stuff I didn't even know they actually carry it. They got a nice stereo here. I'm just going over the car section, and then you got the hauling section. They got all sorts of hitches and hitches accessories and all kinds of stuff. They do got a trailer jack for 36. That's actually what I need for my trailer. It's broken, so I'm thinking of getting that. You got some nice gloves here. So onto the tools. So nice gloves with some knuckle protection there. You got 1548. And you got some leather ones, 1488. So pretty nice looking. Alright, you got this 215 piece mechanics tools. It's a really nice set. I did not see the price. I don't know if it's the 95. I don't think it's the 95 that says on the side, or that 59. But yeah, it's a really nice set. Just wanted to show you guys. You got the dual function inflator, 34 bucks. Then you got a reciprocating saw, 2688. Remember, guys, those are corded. All those corded tools. Got a sander for 1688. You got an angle grinder for 1944. I mean, if you have to do a small project at the middle of the night and you got a 24-hour Walmart, these tools are great for a small project or just once in a while project, emergency situation. Your power tools break, you run out of juice or whatever. That's a nice place to have all these tools, and they got all these discs too, accessories, cutting blades, reciprocating saw blades, all kinds of stuff. Like I said, if you're closer to a Walmart instead of a Home Depot or a Lowe's, and this is probably where you're gonna end up going, especially at the middle of the night. All right, so you got the wire brush kit there. You got a jigsaw for 54 bucks. So that's the jigsaw there, 20 volts. You got a sander there for 20 volt for 44.88, and then the jigsaw is 54. And then you got a grinder, benchtop grinder, and you got a 6.5 circular saw for 79 bucks. And then you got the angle grinder there for 49. You got a drill there, so just a basic drill from Hart, 119. If you guys don't know who makes Hart, Hart is made by, or it's a sister company of Joby and Milwaukee Rigid. So you can tell you're getting some quality with these tools, which is actually, pretty nice to know, or pretty nice to have at these Walmart stores. So 44.88 for the fast charger, and then you got a starter kit there for 69 bucks. I know it's not the cheapest. Alright, you got a utility knife 2-pack. This is very interesting how these are. Never seen those before. 888. It's a pocket tool. You got a combo here, a multi tool and a knife. You got 1488. You got a Gerber knife, utility knives. 1788. These are supposed to be better, nicer, better brands. 1488 for the utility knife. And you got some more over here, 847 and 988. I personally like the ones that have the rubber grips, the bigger grips. I do like the fastback style, so that's like the fastback style there. You got the clamps there. I actually need to get some clamps too. I just forgot to pick them up. But yeah, it's a 6-inch quick release C clamp. You got a light duty vise. Just remember, guys, it is a light duty vise, so just keep that in mind whenever you're planning to purchase something like this. You might want to, if you were, you're a little harder on you do a lot of work on your garage and stuff like that. Might as well just get a heavy duty vise. Got a 4-in-1 stapler, 2888. And you got a staple pack, 644. And these are T50. I didn't know Walmart carried T50 staples. You got a 100 feet tape measure, 1647. From Hart, you got a 25-foot pro grade, 1897. It says wide tape measure. Then you got a 35 auto lock, 100 feet reach. Then you got this contour gauge, 1144. If you guys do tiles and remodels and stuff like that, it's a nice little tool here you guys could use. Got a professional stud finder, 9 sensor accuracy, 2788. Got another one here, 2 more actually, basic, 988. You get a torpedo level there for 988, and another one that's hyper tough, 588. You got a sledgehammer there. It's actually a pretty nice sledgehammer, 2197. It's a 4-pound. You got some pry bars. It's actually a pretty nice set for the DIY. 4-piece pry bar, hyper tough, 1388. And then you got a 6-in-1 screwdriver, and you got a stubby there to the right. 748 for the 6-in-1. And you got these hex. This is a really nice set. You can actually get those and use that handle, I believe, to get some more pry. 1294. And you got some nut drivers there. Some folding nut drivers. 6-piece folding nut drivers. You got metric and standard, 988. You got an adjustable wrench, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch. Those are really nice. They look. I really like the black and the polish. You got the straight jaw locking pliers, different sizes. So 1397 for the 10-inch, 864 for the smaller. You got some toolbox. So they do sell toolboxes, which I didn't know they sell toolboxes. Yeah, for the truck. And then you got the hyper tough version of the locking pliers. Very inexpensive, $448. And these are really nice to have. I personally have something like this from Harbor Freight. It's a pry bar set for the trim. If you guys gotta put a stereo or take a door panel apart or something on the dash, you're not breaking those plastics. That's a great way to have that. You should have that in every garage. If you do your own work, obviously. You got a wrench set there, 18 piece, 1588. You got a socket accessory set, 11 piece, 1988. And you got a ratcheting wrench set from Hart, 7 piece, 2988 SAE or metric. And then you got some hex and some stars. So different socket adapters there, 1288. You got some more adapters here. Look like they're impact rated. So 4-piece impact rated, and you got a 3-piece. Got a 140-piece mechanics tool set. This actually looks pretty nice, $84. You got a smaller here. It's a 90. So $48.88, and you got another socket set here, 3488. So 22 looks like a 22 piece. SAE in metric. And then you got a smaller set here. Well, it's actually the same set. And you got a different set here from a Heart 2197, 20 piece. Then you got some sockets here. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make retro review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.